And there was fallout on Wall Street today from a controversial court ruling Friday night. A federal judge in Texas struck down Obamacare as unconstitutional. Here's Nancy Cordes.
The dramatic ruling sent healthcare stocks tumbling today as more than a dozen states vowed to appeal.
We have never faced as imminent of a threat on the future health of our people as we face right now.
If upheld, the ruling by U.S. District Judge Reed O'Connor of Texas would eliminate all of Obamacare's provisions, including Medicaid expansion, protections for people with pre-existing conditions, and the ability of children to stay on their parents' insurance until age 26.
This decision is devastating. The good news is that the judge seemed way off the deep end.
Judge O'Connor declared on Friday that the individual mandate requiring all Americans to buy insurance is unconstitutional and that the remaining provisions in the Affordable Care Act are therefore invalid, even though Congress essentially eliminated the individual mandate last year.
Well, it was a big ruling. It's a great ruling for our country.
Over the weekend, President Trump, whose administration has worked to chip away at Obamacare, argued the ruling will pave the way for something better.
We will get great health care for our people. We'll have to sit down with the Democrats to do it, but I'm sure they want to do it also.
The case could work its way to the Supreme Court. So for now, nothing changes for the 20 million people who rely on the law. Like Alta Alger of Austin, who was diagnosed with leukemia 4 years ago.
I was actually in the hospital when my sisters helped sign me up for Obamacare. I couldn't even do that myself at the time, and that's the only reason why I was able to get coverage.
All right, so Nancy, the question is now what happens next, and will Congress get involved?
Well, Democrats want to get involved, Jeff. In fact, the Democratic leader, Nancy Pelosi, in the House says that as soon as Democrats take control of the House in January, that it will bring its legal resources to bear and intervene in this appeals process. Simply put, Jeff, Democrats believe that a big reason that they won 40 seats in November is because they focused so heavily on health care. So this is a fight that they are happy to have.
Okay, Nancy Cordes, thank you very much.